Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a piece of network infrastructure that's absolutely essential for anyone building out a rack-mounted system. The C2G 37200 48-port Cat6 110 tie patch panel. This panel is designed specifically to help you transition your horizontal network cabling, the wires running through your walls or ceilings, into patch cables that connect directly to your switches, servers, or other rack equipment. Right off the bat, you notice this is a high-density panel. It packs 48 ports into a 2 RU space, which is 2 rack units high, fitting perfectly into any standard 19-inch rack or cabinet. The design is sleek and professional in black, made from electrostatic powder-coated steel, giving it a solid, durable feel. This isn't some flimsy plastic panel. It feels like it can handle the demands of a busy network closet or data center. The core function here is the termination of your network cables. This panel uses the 110 type punch-down system, which is a standard and reliable method for connecting your Cat6 or even Cat5e cables. The manufacturer notes it meets and exceeds Cat5e specifications. So, while it's labeled and designed for Cat6, it's certainly backward compatible and built to a good standard. The contacts themselves are 50-micron gold-plated, which is a key detail for ensuring a reliable, long-lasting connection with minimal signal degradation. Installation is made easier with several thoughtful features. The panel comes in a traditional 6-port module format, which can simplify cable management during the punch-down process. What's really helpful are the vibrant color labels provided for both 568A and 568B wiring schemes. This takes the guesswork out of punching down your wires correctly, whether you're following one standard or the other. There's also a wide 110 termination layout, giving you a bit more room to work with your punch-down tool. Identifying your cable runs after installation is crucial, and this panel addresses that well. It includes a right-on designation label with a clear holder on the front. Plus, there's numbering on both the front and the back of the panel for each port. This dual numbering system is incredibly useful when you're tracing cables or trying to figure out which horizontal run connects to which port on the front. The 19-inch 2 RU design is all about saving space in your rack. By consolidating 48 cable terminations into just 2 units, you free up valuable real estate for other equipment like switches, servers, or storage devices. The panel also accommodates top, bottom, or side cable entry into your rack, offering flexibility in how you manage your cable runs. For those in specific environments, it's worth noting this panel is TAA compliant, which can be a requirement for government or certain enterprise installations. In summary, the C2G 37200 48-port Cat6 patch panel is a robust, well-designed solution for organizing your network cabling in a rack. Its solid construction, reliable 110 punch-down terminals with gold-plated contacts, and user-friendly features like clear labeling and numbering make it an excellent choice for anyone building or upgrading their network infrastructure. It provides a clean, organized, and reliable point of transition from your horizontal cabling to your patch cables, which is fundamental for a stable network.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.